In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the WooCommerce cart from your website menu. Whether your online store requires a more streamlined navigation or you want to simplify the user experience, removing the cart icon from your menu is a straightforward process. There's no need to delve deep into coding knowledge. I'll guide you through this step by step, ensuring that by the end, you have a cleaner, more focused website menu. To begin, we need to access the WordPress dashboard of your website. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu with various options. What you're looking for is labeled Appearance. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Customize. This action will take you into the WordPress Customizer, which is a powerful tool allowing you to tweak many aspects of your site's design and functionality. Inside the customizer, you'll be greeted with multiple options arranged neatly. Here, we're interested in the one labeled Additional CSS. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you can enter custom CSS codes to modify the style of your website beyond the default settings offered by your theme. It's a sandbox where you can input specific styling rules that override the existing ones. Remember, this area is powerful because it lets you tailor the visuals without altering the core theme files. Now that you're in the additional CSS section, it's time to add the specific code needed to hide the WooCommerce cart from the menu. This step is both easy and crucial for making the desired changes. Simply paste the following CSS code into the box provided: .menu item, WooCommerce cart, display none. Once pasted, you'll instantly see a preview of how this change looks on your website. It should effectively make the cart icon disappear from your menu. It's worth mentioning that while the cart is removed visually, it still exists in the background and can be re-enabled by simply removing this snippet. So, it's a reversible process if you ever choose to bring the cart back or make additional modifications. Before finalizing, take a moment to ensure everything appears as you wish across various screen sizes, especially if your site uses different menus for mobile or tablet views. Spot-checking different devices can ensure that the change is consistent and achieves your goal of a neat and distraction-free menu. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget the most crucial step. Click the Publish button at the top. This ensures your updated design is live and visible to all who visit your site. And there you have it. With these few clicks and a line of code, you've successfully removed the WooCommerce cart from your menu, helping maintain a more focused navigation for your users. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.